Angelina here with Mint & Porter Design Co., bringing you the best tips for freelance web design. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to build a website with no hosting. If you'd like to stay in the know about the latest web design strategies, consider subscribing. I've had a few friends ask how to build a website with no hosting, and honestly, that was one of the top questions I had as well when I first started building websites. So in this video, I'll jump into 3 ways to build a website without hosting and talk about what hosting is and what a domain name is. So let's get into it. What does it mean to host a website? Hosting is where your website lives on the internet. It's the place where the files are stored on a web server. Some popular hosting services are GoDaddy, Bluehost, and HostGator. What is a domain name for a website? A domain name is what the internet uses to call your website. So think google.com. Popular domain name services are GoDaddy and Namecheap. First tip for building a site with no hosting: use MAMP. Set up a free local server environment like MAMP for Mac or XAMPP for Windows. And this is my personal favorite method. It's free, and if you make a mistake, you can just reset your site and try again. Second tip for building a site with no hosting: use WP Engine. WP Engine is another great option. This is also a dev environment, but it's paid. I haven't personally used it, but people swear by it, and I'm willing to bet it's easier to set up than MAMP. Third tip for building a site with no hosting: create a subdomain of your domain. So technically, you are hosting a website, but the point is you don't have to pay for additional hosting while you're building a test site or a client site. You can set this up through your hosting company's control panel under the Subdomain tab. Okay, here's a bonus tip for you guys. Use the all-in-one WP migration plugin to transfer your WordPress dev site to your new hosting once that's set up. It's the best method that I found. It's just a push of a button and it's done. I highly recommend paying the $80 or some odd dollars for the premium so you can upload unlimited size websites to your new hosting. So this will save you a bunch of time and sanity, I promise. I love creating content about freelance web design life. If you'd like to stay up to date about the latest web design strategies, consider subscribing to my newsletter. Hopefully this encouraged you to get started building websites, even without the hosting. What's your favorite way to build a website without hosting? Type it in the comments below. For resources listed in this video, visit the description below. If you like this video, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.